Hi, welcome back to the channel. Uh, Today I will be uh, explaining about the topic that I am learning or I am researching about learning. If you are hearing the term programming language and it sounded confusing, don't worry. Today I will explain what it means in simplest way possible. Even if you are a complete beginner that has not heard the word. So you have, if you have no technical background, you can see this video. Let's get started. Let's start with term programming. What does it actually mean? Programming is just a fancy word that giving programming is just a fancy word for giving instructions to a computer, just like you tell your phone to play music or set an alarm. Programming tells computers what to do, but using code instead of a voice. You can make a computer show a message on screen, do math, save files, run games, or even control robots. But here is the catch: computers don't understand English or Hindi. There is only one language computers can understand, that is binary language, which uh, which is made up of ones and zeros, and writings ones and zeros would be a nightmare. So instead we use something easier, programming language. Now you will ask, what is a programming language? A programming language is like a bridge between you and the computer. It lets you write instructions in a way that's easy for you to write and for the computer to understand. Think of it like this: if you go to Germany, you need to speak German to communicate. If you want to talk to a computer, you need to speak its language. That's why a programming language, that's what a programming language is. It's a way to talk to machines. Examples of programming language there are hundreds of programming languages out there. Here are some of the most popular ones. Python. Python is a super friendly language that is great for automation, AI, or data science. It's the first programming language everyone should learn. JavaScript is used to make websites interactive. Java language used in mobile apps, especially Android apps. C or C++. It is a very powerful programming language used in games, operating systems, and heavy software. HTML or CSS. Not not true programming languages, but used to design websites. SQL used for working with large database. You do you don't need to learn all of these at once. Start with one, then grow out from there. Let's say I How does it work? Let's take an example in Python programming language. You print you display print hello world. What happens behind the scenes in the computer is that computer doesn't actually understand this sentence. So a tool called compiler in or interpreter translates in it into binary. Then computer follows your instructions. It's just like Google Translate, but instead of translating English into any other languages, it translates from Python to ones or zeros. It's a pretty cool thing in programming language. Why should you learn programming? Uh, y- y- I can tell you many reasons. You can build apps, websites, or games. You can automate boring tasks, save time. You can get high paying jobs in tech even without a college degree. You can freelance and work for anywhere. You'll improve your thinking, logical, and problem solving. And don't worry, you don't need to be a genius to learn programming. You just need to start slow, practice daily, and never give up. Last question you will ask is to where to start. I will suggest choose a beginner language. I recommend Python. Watch YouTube tutorials or join a free course. Like I will give an example CS50 from Harvard. Use coding platforms like uh, Replit. Practice daily. Build small things like calculators or even small games. Join online communities such on Reddit, Discord, or Telegram. You will be surprised how much you can learn in less than 2 months or 1 month. I will end this video by recapping what I am speaking in this video. Programming is giving instructions to computers. We use programming languages to do that. Python is the first language you should learn. You don't need to take background to start learning. Just be consistent and you will master it. If this video helped you understand programming in simple words, please give a video thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for a more more this type of videos, more this type of videos.